I called a car restoration company. And it was about an hour away, and I had no idea what I was getting into. And boy, when I got there and I saw what this guy did, he would strip a car all the way down to the base model and rebuild it. He was a manufacturer. And I was, first of all, just amazed by what he did. But he was a very small shop. And this is a very niche kind of thing he was doing. And when I started going out trying to find him a product, it was very difficult, because there was a lot of liability there. He's essentially manufacturing a car for his customers. Very cool cars, by the way. And I felt so great about what I did there because I married him to a company that actually valued these cars by appreciating them, not depreciating them. And he was just with a regular standard insurance company at the time. Probably just needed some liability, but he was underinsured. Like, he had all these awesome vehicles he was working on, and they were going to depreciate them because they were like 1978 or 1902. He was going to get nothing for them. So it wasn't a huge policy, but the guy's name was Gary, and I just was so proud that we put him in the right coverage, and it was affordable still. It wasn't like I was probably blowing the doors off the policy, but I think he was grateful also, and it was a great relationship from there.